And hey folks, me again, back again with another video. Today I'm going to react to Godsmack singing Master of Puppets. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and yes, go check out Dennis's channel. He's that good, so hope you enjoy. And let's get started. I think it sounds like a radio rock song to me. I feel like if Godsmack did a cover of that, yeah. If they can actually get the guitar tone right. Now that I actually think about it, Godsmack did do a fast-paced song called Cry Like a Bitch. It was kind of sort of fast-paced. Rocking the Motorhead shirt, love it. Give me some Motorhead. A good rocking song. Now keep up the good work, Denny. Rocking the mutton stash and the long hair, would love it. Dimebag Daryl guitar, badass. Well, Denny, your channel's gonna go places if you keep this up. That gets the attitude going. Anyway, folks, hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, follow me on the video on TikTok and Discord. God bless y'all, and I'll see you next video.